In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in a Wrike post. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just need to grab someone's attention, tagging can be a really efficient way to ensure your team stays in the loop. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Wrike dashboard. Now, if you're already familiar with this workspace, you know it's the hub for all of your project management activities. You'll find your projects and tasks neatly listed here, making navigation straightforward. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to locate the specific task or project you need to tag someone on. After you've found the task or project in question, go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a detailed view of the task. Here you can see all the related information, such as descriptions, subtasks, attachments, and more. It presents everything you might need to update or review at a glance. But for our purpose, we're going to focus on the comments section. Next up, scroll to the bottom of this task view until you find the comments section. This is where the conversation around this task happens, so naturally, it's the perfect place to call someone's attention with a tag. Click into the comment area where you can start typing your message. To tag someone, simply hit the @ symbol on your keyboard. This action brings up a list of team members you can mention. Now here's a handy tip. Once you see the list of names, it's sorted alphabetically, which makes it easy to locate your team member if you already know who you're looking for. If you're part of a large team, you can start typing the person's name immediately after the @ symbol to filter the results and locate them more quickly. Once you've selected the team member to tag from the list, you'll see their name highlighted in your comment draft. This confirmation shows that once you send your comment, that team member will receive a notification letting them know they've been mentioned. It's a surefire way to make sure that the important parts of your message don't go unnoticed. Before we wrap up, let's move on to our final step. Now that your comment is ready and your colleague is tagged, it's time to go ahead and hit that send button. By doing so, your comment gets posted to the task, and the person you tagged will instantly receive a notification. It's a seamless process that ensures effective communication among your team. And there you have it. You've just learned how to tag someone in a Wrike post. This simple yet powerful feature can greatly enhance team communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you the clarity and confidence to use tags effectively in your future projects.